Good evening, everyone. Good evening to all. Welcome back with the puzzle page of the weekend edition of Saturday. It's today, Saturday, August the 17th, 2024. We have here 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the tectonic, 2 binaries, 2 Sudokus, one with 2 stars, one with 3 stars, and the last puzzle is the killer Sudoku. 4 of them I will solve, not all, too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, I've already solved one puzzle, a medium Sudoku with 3 stars this afternoon, regular puzzle. So let me continue with this one. This one will be number 9110. Before start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 25 printed digits. Usually a 4 stars puzzle has 24. This one has 1 digit more. 1 digit more should be a 3 stars. For a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see. Well, 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 4 in the last row. So in the row between, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the last row, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. So what are the other 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2, 3, 6. 2, 3, 6. Well, we have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. We have 3 in the second column, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. So the 2 and the 6 are left. The 2 and the 6, okay. Then 5, 5, okay. Need a 9 here, 9 here. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 and the 6, we have a 2 now in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 6 goes there. Alright. 2, 2. Then, let me see. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4. Alright. Then, 6, 6. Need an 8 here. And I need a 1 here. We have a pair. We have a 2 and an 8 in this column. We have a 2 and an 8 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. No 1 goes there. 1 box left now in the first column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 1 box left in this column for second column for number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5. 7 and 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then 5, 5. Need a 4 here. Need a 6 here. 8 8 in this row, 8 in a row below. So last row, the only place level 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in the last row. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. So we have a 7 in one of those two boxes in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places left of the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7. Then, let me see. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left of the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 3 and a 4. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 6 goes there. 9, 9. 6, 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And the 7 here. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there also. I need to think. The 8. Need an 8 here. I need an 8 there. Need an 8 here. Yeah. I need a 4 here. 1, 2, 3, and the 5. 5. Yeah, in this column we need a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. We need a 5. Here can be 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. Here can be 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. So the 5 in this column could be here or there. Here or there. We see another 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Need a 7 here. 3. No. 4. 9. 9. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 here. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. 3. Need 3 here. Yeah. Need a 6 here. This box. I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2. 1, 2. 1. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, 2 is missing, and 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And look, we have a 2 and a 3 in this row, so no 2 and 3 in this box. 2 and a 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing and 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. The 1 in the last column, 1 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Need a 4 here. Need a 6 here. Well. Need a 7 here. I'm thinking. 8. Need an 8 there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 5. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4, need a 7, 4, 7, 8, 9. 9 should be here. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, last column, no 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left on the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places left on the 9 should be here, here, or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. We have a 9 in that column, no 9 there. So the only place left on the 9 should be here. And need a 2 there. 4, 7, 8, 4, 7, 8, 4, 7, 8, 4, 7, 8. 4, 8, and the 3. Well. We have 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3, 4, 8. That means 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and the 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. The 7 goes there. 7 and a 5. We have a 5 in the middle row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 goes there. Need a 7 there. Alright. How about these? 4, 6, 8. 4, 6, 8. 8, 8, 4, 6, 8. 6, 3, 8. 6, 3, 8. Well, then 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 3, 7. 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7. And look, we have 1 and 7 in this column. No 1 and 7 in this box. 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this row for number 3. Alright. Here we have a pair, 1 and a 7. Okay. In this column. Well, 1 and a 7, so I know that one of these 2 boxes should be a 1. So here can be a 1. We have a 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there then. Because we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, yeah. 3, 4, 8, okay. Yeah. 3, 4, 8. Here can be 3, 4, or an 8, 4, 8, and the 7. I need a 7 there. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 7 could be here, could be there. Here we have a 7, and here we have a 7. That means in the middle column, we need a 7 in one of these 3 boxes. Because here can be 7, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. Here can be 7, we have 7 in this row, no 7 there. Here can be 7, we have 7 in this row, no 7 there. So the 7 could be in one of these 3 boxes. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. We have 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. The only place left for 7 should be there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1. 1 or 7, we have a 1 now in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes with the 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. So the 4 and 8 are left here. Mark those 2 boxes with the 1. We have a 1 now in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 3 and a 4. 3. Need a 4. Need a 6. Come on. 6. And I need an 8. 8 should be here. 8, 3, 3, 8, and the 4. 3, 8, and 4. Well, in this column we need a 4. Here can be 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Here or there in this column. Well, we see another 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of missing numbers and 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left with 8 in this big square. Should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 3 and 6. 3 and 6. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now. In the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes in there. 1 box left now in this middle column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 and 8, we have a 2 in the second row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then 3, 4. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the middle row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 3, 4, 8, and look, we have a 3 and a 4 in the third row, so no 3 and a 4 in this box. 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so 1 digit left should be the 8. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left 8 should be there. 3 and the 4, we have a 3 in the first row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3. 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Well, Dojo. Gonna be a 4 stars. Gonna be a 3 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, so I'm well pleased with time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it to solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.